Hey everybody, this is Jim. Here's another quick video tip. In this video, I want to show you how to include a quote that has a quote within it. So here's an example. In the book Courage and Calling, we read, quote, theologian Paul Tillich makes the case that courage is essentially the courage to be oneself. Quote, courage, he says, quote, is the affirmation of one's essential nature, unquote. Now, as you could tell, that's a little confusing because there's quotation marks everywhere. Which is the beginning of the quote that Smith has, and which is the beginning of the quote that he's included inside his quote, and where does that end? Well, to fix this, first you have your beginning quotes as you normally would, the double quotes around the beginning of the quote and the end of the quote. But then you change the quotes here, here, and here into single quotation marks. And a single quotation mark designates that it is a quote within the quote. So it would look like this. You change the single quotations from the beginning and the end. And notice the end, since the quote ends the quote that I'm using from the book, there is a single quote to designate the end of the quote that is being quoted within the quote, as well as a double quote to designate the end of the quote from the book. So there you go. That's what it would look like. Now it's a little easier to see where the entire quote is and the quote within that quote. I hope that helps. If you found this helpful, please share it with your friends and your classmates. Check out our website at onlinecollegesuccess.com where you'll find more tips and other resources like this. Until next time, take care, everybody.